Hello my dear student, welcome to my channel. Here Mr. Adi. Today I'm going to start the PowerPoint SIMnet Capstone project. So the name of this chapter is In Practice PowerPoint 365 Application Capstone Project 2 Skills covered in this project. So basically these are the skills which we will cover in this video. Open and save a presentation, add all text, apply picture transparency, add slide with bullet text. So basically these are the skills which we will cover in this video. Steps to complete this project, and these are the steps which we will perform in this video, and almost like uh, 23 steps are doable, and in 24, 5 and 26 step we will just save and upload and submit this file. Let's move on step number 1. So before start this assignment, if you want me to do this project, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this capstone project. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB, Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also, and I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have a guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. It's better for you if you will make a deal for a complete course. We will charge you a reasonable price like student price, and we will give you a big discount also if you will refer other students. Let's start this assignment. So our first step is open the homeowner worksheet PowerPoint presentation start file. If the document opens in protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify it. So basically, so first we will open our answer file. So basically in this step, it says that if you will see here enable editing button, just click that enable editing button. I have already enabled this document. So this document is already enabled. Step number 1 is done. Now step number 2. Step number 2 is the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file if directed to do so by your instructor. So basically in this step it says that you don't have to save the file with your name because the program will add your name automatically. Like here my student name is Lovepreet. So step number 3. Our step number 3 is insert all text. So step number 3 has almost 4 parts: part A, B, C and D. Now I am going to do part A. Our part A is select the picture on slide 2 and open the all text pane. So basically in step number 2 in part A, we will select the slide 2 and we will open the all text pane. So go to answer sheet and we will select the slide 2, select picture and right click and just click that view all text. So part A is done. Or part B? Part B is check mark as decorate. So we will copy this with period, copy this and paste this text here. Control A, text select all and Control V now. Okay. I also raise this space and just click here in this picture. Part B is also done. Now part C. Part C is change the picture transparency to 65% transparency. So we will select this picture and then go to picture format tab and just click that transparency arrow and we will select here transparency 65%. So part C is also done now. Part D. So part D is select the picture on slide 4, the same picture and type the following all text: a single family home with blue side. So we will copy this and first we will select the slide 4, switch the slide 4 and here we will select the picture. Okay, and again we will right click here and just click add view all text, and we will paste this text which which I have already copied from a instruction file. Okay, Control V, raise this punctuation mark. Okay, blue side, I think, yes, side with period also, and okay, single. Okay, right now, yes, this one, a single family home with blue side. Yes, so you can write here, or you can copy this and paste this here. Okay, so just click here in this picture. So step number 3 is completely done. Now step number 4. Our step number 4 is add slide and choose a layout. Step number 4 has almost and two part A and part B. Now I'm going to do part A. Part A is insert a slide after 2 with title and content layout. So basically in step number 2 in part A, we will select the slide 2 and we will insert the in part A we will insert the slide after slide 2. So just click in slide 2, switch the slide 2 and then go to home tab and just click the new slide, and we will insert which one slide? Title and content slide, this one. So our new slide is inserted after 2 slide now. Part B. Now part B is type the following text title. So we will copy this text and we will use this text as the title text. Just click here in title and Control V, paste this text here, click here at arrow and keep text only. So part B is also done now. So next is list make the cooperative market analysis bullet a second level bullet. So we'll copy these texts, these also. So I have copied this text and we will use this text in the bullet text. Control V, arrow and keep text only. Now copy this again. Press enter, Control V, keep text only, and copy this. And so here we will increase indent one time. So go to home tab and in paragraph group we will just click at increase list level. Okay, just one time. Now we will paste this text here which I have already copied from my instruction file. Okay, copy this, press enter, paste this text here, copy this, press enter and Control V. Okay, so step number 4 is completely done. Now step number 5. Step number 5 has almost 7 to 8 steps. Now I'm going to do part A. So our part A is click the slide master button on the view tab to open slide master view. So basically in step number 5 in part A, first we will click the slide master button. So it's located in view tab. Okay, so just click at view tab and after this we will click at slide master button, this one. Okay, so our slide master button or our slide master tab is open now. Just see here. So part A is done. Now part B. For part B, select the first layout dividend slide master used where slide 1 up to 11. Okay, slide master. Select the first layout. Okay, so first we will select the first layout. Drag this down, or this is our first layout. Okay. Part B is done. Now part C. Part C, select the bullet list placeholder. So we will select the bullet list placeholder. Okay. Next is, yes, select the bullet list placeholder. Okay. So go to home tab and just click at bullets. Open the bullets and numbering dialog box. Okay, click red bullets and just click red bullet and numbering. Next is party. Party, select the black right pointing pointer wingding 3 character code 117. So basically in party we will select the wingding 3 with character code 117. So first we will just click that customize and we will search here winding 3, this one, and here we will report the code 117. After this, so this is our winding 3. So just click that. Okay, so you will see here the uh, bullet sign. Okay, changing bullet sign. So just click that. Okay, and okay again. Okay, control Z, undo this. So select these all, and again then go again here, go to bullets and numbering, customize winding. We will select here winding 3 and code is of 117. After this we will just click that OK and OK again. Now just check here. Okay, so our bullets are changed now. So part E is done now. Part F is change the bullet size to 90% of the text. So we'll change the bullet size 90% of the text. So again go to bullets and numbering, and we'll change size here 90. So still selected. Okay, and we'll change here size 90 and click that OK. So part F is done now. Part G is close the bullets and number dialog box. We'll close the bullets and number box. Yes, close the slide master view. So in part H we will close the slide master view. So just go to yes, just go to slide master tab and just click that close master view. So step number 5 is completely done. Now step number 6. Step number 6 is check spelling and correct any error. So we'll go to answer sheet and just click that accessibility. Here we will just click that spelling. Yes. Just click that change all. Yes. Spell check complete. Okay. Just click that OK. So step number 6 is also done. Now step number 7. Our step number 7 is copy, paste and added a slide. So step number 7 is almost 12 to 13 points. Okay. So I'm going to do part A. So our part A is change to slide sorter view and adjust the zoom percentage as needed so all slides are visible. So basically in step number 7 in part A, we will change the slide sorter view. So go to answer sheet and we'll just go to view tab and we'll just click that slide sorter. Okay. You can also click here at the bottom of the window. Just check here. Okay. So part A is done. Now part B. Part B is copy the slide 1 thumbnail and paste the copied slide after the slide size a last slide to create slide 12. So basically in part B, we will copy the slide 1 thumbnail and we'll paste this after the slide 12. After slide 11. Okay, last one. So our last one is slide 11. So just click here and slide 1 and control C, copy this and just click here at the last after slide 11. Click here and Control V, paste this slide here. Okay. Okay. So part G is done now. Part C is double click slide 12 to open it normal view. So we'll click double click here at the slide 12. Okay. So part C is also done now. Part D. Part D is delete the subtitle The American Dream placeholder. So we will delete the subtitle which contains the American Dream placeholder. So this one, okay. Just click here, click here, click here at the end and press delete from your keyboard. Okay, again click. So next is delete the picture on the right. So we will delete this picture also. Select this picture and press delete from your keyboard. Or you can right click and delete this. So part is done. Now part F. Part F is resize the title placeholder height 2 and width is 4. So we will resize the title placeholder. So this is our title placeholder and we will resize this. Just click at shape format and we will give this height to okay and width is 4. Okay, yes. So next is part G. Part G is change the font size to 28 ppt. So we select this and we'll change the font size. Go to Home tab and we'll give the size 28. Part G is done now. At part H is change the font color to white background 1. So we'll change the white background 1. So still selected and then go to font color and just we will click it at white background 1. So part I is change the title text to following. So these are the titles which we will put in the title text. So we will copy this text, okay, and we will just Control V here, okay, or you can write here Control V, keep text only, and our next is this one text rows while CA 95 7 to 20. Paste this text here, okay, press enter, Control V, Control C, and Control V here, okay. Part J is change the title text to align right. So we will given the give the right align. So select this title, text title, and then go to Home tab and just click that. In paragraph group, we will just select the align right. Okay. So part J is also done now. Part K is position this text on the gray area near the right side of the slide. So basically in part K, we will position this text on the gray area near the right side. So first we will check in the final figure. Okay, we will place this here. We will drag this and place this here. Okay, yes. So part K is done now. Part L. Part L is select the PHRE logo and change its size, height is 2.5 and width automatically adjust. Okay. So first we will in part L we will select the PHRE logo. So this one, okay. Select this and we will change the height 2.5. Select this and go to picture format tab and we'll give the 2.5 height. Next is part M. Part M is position the logo on the white area in the upper left figure 1. So we'll just check here in figure 1. Okay, here. We'll adjust this here, drag this and adjust this here. Yes, okay, right. Okay. So step number 7 is completely done. Now step number 8. Step number 8 is insert a cutout people image on slide 12. So step number 8 has almost 6 parts. Now I'm going to do part A. Part A is open the icon dialog box and select cutout people. So basically step number 8 in part A, we will open the icon dialog box and select cutout people option. Okay. So go to, okay, insert the picture on slide 12. So first we will, yes, slide 12 is already switched. So go to which one option? Icon. Okay. Open the icon dialog box. Icon dialog box. So where it's okay here. Just go to insert tab and just in illustration group we will just click at icons. So here icon we will select the cut out people option. Part B is done now. Part B. Part B is locate the Alfredo group node. If your version of PowerPoint does not have the Alfred group, select another group. Okay, I have updated my MS Office, so we will select the Alfred group. Okay, so we will go to Alfred group. So just click that arrow. We will find your Alfredo. Okay, this one. Okay, select this. And part B is done now. Part C insert a picture of Alfredo pointing to his writing to so he points to the PHER logo similar to the main picture in figure 1. Two images like these are available. Select the one which is smiling. So basically in part C it says that insert the picture of Alfredo pointing and select those one picture which in which men are smiling. So we will go to here and we will select those one picture. Two pictures are similar. Yes, this picture and this picture are similar and we will select in which men are smiling. Yes, this one. Select this and click that insert. Okay. So part C is done now. Part D. Part D is resize the image height 7, align it to the bottom of the slide. So we'll give the height 7, select this and then go to picture format and we'll give the height 7. Party, no party is move the image of fit between the logo and address. So we'll move the picture and fit between the logo and address. Okay, we'll fit this picture here. Yes. Okay. So part F is close the stock image pane. So I already close this. Also close it, designer. So step number 8 is completely done. Step number 9. Step number 9 is create custom theme. So step number 9 is almost three part A, B and C. Now I am going to do part A. Part A is change a fluorescent color using the custom tab on the color dialog box. Change each colors red, green and blue numbers to the number shown in the table 1. So this is our table. Okay. So create the theme color, custom theme color. Okay. So we will go to slideshow. Okay, where? So go to design tab and just click that variant arrow. After this, we will click go to colors arrow, and here we will just click at customize color. So here we will create a new theme color. Okay. So tables are is given. So in ascent 1, we will give the values these one, and in ascent 2, we will give these values, and in ascent 3, we will give these values. Okay. Okay. So our ascent 1 red is 138. So just click at ascent 1 arrow, and here we will click at more color. So here we will put the values for ascent 1, and red is 138, 38, and next is 154 for green, and next is 68, sorry, 68, and 230. Great. Okay, and we'll add the values for F12 now. Go down and just click on more color, and next is green. Okay. Sorry, I have put it the wrong values for asset 1. Just click that asset 1 arrow, more, and we will again put the values for asset 1. These are the values for asset 1, 138, 147 and 83. So red is 138, 138, and green is 147, 147, and blue is 83. Okay, and just click that. Okay, and now we'll add the values for S12. Click that arrow and more color, and S12 value is 154 for red, 154 and 105 for green. 105 for green. And next is 72 for blue. 72. Just click that OK. And now we will put the value for SN3. Drag this down and just click add more color. And 68 for red. 68. And 4 for green. And next is 12 for blue. Okay. And for SN4 now, 230 for red. Click that OK and SN4. More color. And for red is 230. 230. And 195 is for green. 95. And 90 is for blue. Okay. After this, we will just click at OK. And part B is name the custom theme home by figure 2. Okay, here. We'll put this name here. Copy this and paste this text here in the name box. And close the color dialog box. After this, we'll just click at save. Okay. So step number 9 is completely done. Now step number 10. Step number 10 is create a slider footer. So step number 10 is almost for part A, B, C, and D. Now I'm going to do part A. Part A is open the header and footer dialog box. Okay. So we'll open the header and footer dialog box. Just go to insert tab and just click at header and footer. So part B is select the following options: slide number, footer, and do not show on title slide. So slide number here. Okay, select this. And second is footer. Select this. And third one is don't show on title slide. Select this one. Okay. So part B is done. Now part C, click the footer text box and type Placer Hills Real Estate. So we'll copy this and we'll use this text as the text box, footer text box text. So this here, okay. We'll paste this text here, or you can write. Apply the footer to all slides. Okay. So just click at apply to all. Create, okay. So next is step number 10 is completely done. Now step number 11. Step number 11 is add the following document properties. So we will add the document properties. Okay. So we'll go to files there and just click at info. So first one is title. So we will copy this and paste this text in the title box here. And X is subject. And we'll paste this text in the subject box. Click at show all properties and we'll find its subject. Okay. And next is manager. So we will find here manager option. Okay, here. Paste this text here. Manager. Okay, title and okay, subject. Yes, subject here. So step number 11 is completely done. Now I have done almost 50 to 60% of this assignment. If you want, we do this complete project. I will do this just in 1 hour and will give you A plus grade in this project. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have a guarantee that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. It's better for you if you will make a deal for complete course. We charge very reasonable price like student price, and also we will give you a big discount if you will refer others. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe.